Hi everyone, Bob and Hope Studio C. So today, or actually yesterday, I found this. It looks like an old stand. I don't know what it was being used for, but when I found it, it was actually all pulled up and looked like this. So I thought maybe it sat like that, but I found the latch on this side locks it in. But I'm gonna put it to use. I'm actually gonna make it a stand for my table saw. Now, what I need to figure out is what I need is what's my distance between the bars? And there's 16 and a half. It won't actually fit.
It's too small or too big?
That's too small. Let's take a piece of plywood, cut it, secure it here, and just use it as a folding table so I can take it outside and put my table saw on it and use it. Because I don't think. Let's see. Trying to look, see what everything is. It definitely won't work that way. What do we got here? That sits there. Maybe. I think it sits too high though. 'Cause if you had to use it, it'd be a little too high. I mean, I like the height because I can boom, boom, boom.
Oh, put it back up where it is. Let me see if it's too where it is. Let's see if it's too high. I can't operate a saw that's crooked.
Yeah. Yeah, how you do it?
Let me pull it that way. Just it's stuck underneath the thing, so you bring that right. Okay, there you go. And then push it this way, look, or whatever, how much you can. No, I don't think it's too high. I could. I mean, if I'm cutting smaller pieces of wood, I could. I'm cutting huge pieces. Well, I'm not gonna do that anyhow.
Right. I think I'm gonna take and build a platform. Take a piece of
Yeah,
plywood.
you definitely need to have a platform.
That way.
Because once this is running, it's gonna vibrate.
And I don't like it being sideways the way the legs are. I want it to be square with the way the legs are, so it would be this way. I'm gonna do it 20 by 20. So we got. Boom. I always knew there was a reason why I kept some plywood. Look at that. But before I go cut that big piece, let's see what we got for little pieces. One. And this is what I'm talking about.
Too small.
Losing. 18. 18 must work though. Alright, your feet around. That's it.
You know what you should do is maybe like, how would you? I think you should put like a clamp here and maybe or something, because when this is on, it's going to vibrate. Because that thing's not, you know what I'm saying? So
Well,
you
I
need to have a way to
think-
like clamp it down,
Well, I see
and then
there's,
unclamp it.
there's mounting screws here.
Mhm.
So I could actually take a screw and run it down on each side. Take this piece of plywood, because there's holes in these brackets. I could actually mount the plywood right to that. When it screws down through these two holes, they're more or less like a mounting on both sides. Have it mounted on there. And then it would be on there all the time.
Well, do you want it on there all the time? I'm just saying, like, because you fold it up and you have to carry it with the thing. You know, those ones with wheels are a lot nicer.
Yeah, no.
Well, I mean, they cost more money too, but like, I don't think you want it on there all the time because the shed's so small. And you hit the.
Well, I could always take and put the miter saw on there.
Instead?
Yep.
Well, the miter saw does.
I think that
Fit
looks
better.
good right there. Now that looks good.
Yeah, you can actually screw it down if you wanted.
Yep.
It weighs a lot less too, so this being not a very sturdy.
Right. And just work on getting the actual.
And the fact that once you let go of that trigger, it turns off. So if something was to happen,
It won't sit there and shake.
well, what I'm saying is like if the table started falling or something, you'd be letting go of the trigger. Where the table saw, you actually have to push the button to stop it.
And this kind of works out this because say I had a long board and I had to put an angle on it. I could actually take this, put it sideways, and lay the board right up here on top of the counter for support.
Yeah. So well, you didn't get your table saw table, but you got a
Got
miter
something for the miter box.
saw.
So I'm gonna take a little grinder and just nip the tips off there. They're sharp, boy. Reach in my fingertip. Bam. Need be, you can always throw the drill press on there too if you needed to use a table. So we'll just make a little portable table. Just like that.
So we're gonna call it a portable table.
Portable table for miter saw.
Portable
Drill
tool
press.
table.
Yeah. Should I write it down there so we know? Portable table. So there you go, people. Taking something that would have been thrown away and not be used, and made it out of something. Something that will get used a lot, actually. Hope you enjoyed this short clip. Enjoy your day. Hit the notification bell. Don't forget to subscribe. And have a good day.